Yeah, this is exclusive right here by my man DJ Thug Life.
Bad boy killers. Put your hands around his neck and demand your respect. Fuck them all. Fuck all you motherfuckers. We out and your big dog. We run the whole dog. Yo, I can make it happen. My rapping is similar to motherfuckers when they scrapping. Blast and watch them back. I'm notorious Biggie killer. Affiliation with Death Row. Niggas get their cap peeled back. Food is the West Coast. Bitch, you misdemeanor. I'm raising hell like felonies. Mr. Machiavelli straight out of jail. Selling knees. Intoxicated. We duplicated but never faded. Now that we made it, my adversaries is player hating. Got a Mercedes for the chicks that thought I quit and got a drop top jag. For these bitches that's on my dick and go to club in the pack. I'm smoking bud in the back. I'm waiting for niggas to trip. Cause bitch, I love to scrap. Mama raised me as a thug nigga. With a love niggas, I'm a millionaire. Started as a drug dealer. I went from rocks to Z's. Writing raps and movies. I went from trust to these chicks. Now they all wanna sue me, so fuck them all. Put your hands around his neck and demand your respect. We screaming more. We outlaw hard dog. We run
Now
the
could you
whole
picture my
dog.
criminal status at its fucking peak? Even the baddest be getting murdered in they seats. I'm addicted to these streets, like crackers to these creeps. Seeing visions of a prison, wake up screaming in my sleep. Is there a heaven in this hell? A possibility of living well. But if they killing me, I'll get my stripes and who's the tell? Choosing to sell, I'd rather die and be deceased. World mob figure, addicted to these fucking streets.
Now put your motherfucking hands up if you's a rider. Niggas ain't killers so they hide and ride. Fuck them all, touch them all, that's the way that we do it.